This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fuel filter renewal. Remove and refit the fuel filler cap to release any residual pressure in the system. Select first gear. Chock the front wheels. Fit a piece of split hose to the sill to protect it. Then use a jack to raise the car. Position axle stands and lower the vehicle onto the stands. Remove the jack. The fuel filter is located in front of the fuel tank, on the right-hand underside of the car. Anticipate some fuel spillage before starting work and have a container and shop towels to hand. Clean around the fuel filter and pipes. To further improve access, the handbrake cable can be unhooked from the adjacent wire clip. Disconnect the fuel hoses at each end of the filter, noting their locations for refitting. The connections are of the quick release type, disconnected by squeezing the catch on each. Where the new fuel filter was supplied with sealing plugs, fit these to the old filter as soon as each fuel hose is removed. This will minimize the spillage of fuel. Remove the retaining clamp screw and slide the filter out of position. Dispose of the old filter carefully. Even if the fuel inside is tipped out, the filter element will still be soaked in fuel and will be highly flammable. Offer the new filter into position, ensuring that the direction of flow arrow is pointing towards the front of the car as shown. Note the locating peg on the fuel filter. Refit the clamp screw and tighten it securely. Connect the fuel hoses to each end of the filter in the same positions as noted on removal. Push the hoses fully onto the filter stubs and, if necessary, clip them back to the underside of the car. The handbrake carrier clip and cable can now be refitted. Jack up the vehicle and remove the axle stands. Lower the vehicle and remove the jack. Remember to remove the piece of split hose from the sill. Remove the chocks from the front wheels.